Hello everyone, if your night owl camera is showing no signal, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. In this video, I will show you some quick and easy steps to fix the problem and get your cameras working again. So let's jump right in. First, let's go step by step to identify and fix the issue. So step 1 is check the power supply. Make sure each camera is actually getting power. For wired cameras, check that the power adapter is connected properly, and for wireless cameras, confirm that the battery is charged or the power cable is plugged in securely. So inspect all cables connection. That's the step 2. So look closely at the video and power cables for any signs of damage or loose connections. If you spot a faulty cable, replace it and make sure everything is plugged in tightly. Now you need to try connecting the camera to another DVR or NVR port. If it works there, your original port may be defective. So you need to restart the system. Now power down your DVR or NVR completely and unplug it for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on again. A simple restart can often fix simple small glitches. Now you need to update firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connection problems. Go to the official Night Owl website and check for any available firmware updates for any specific model. If nothing else works, you can try resetting your DVR or NVR to factory settings. But remember, this will erase all your custom configurations, so proceed carefully. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and your Night Owl camera should be back online in no time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions or need more help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.